Let's use simultaneous equation in solving this Olympiad exam question. We are asked to solve for x and y in x squared minus y squared equal to 15. Can it be possible using simultaneous equation? Join me as we solve this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as you watch, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Also remember to join our community for exclusive perks that you might really find very interesting. Now let's get started. To solve this, we are going to consider 15 and the factors of 15. Now remember, we are asked to find the value of x and y, which are elements of natural numbers. Now, how do we do that? We're given the value of x squared minus y squared. Now, if you look at that very well, you know that that is a diff of different square. So we are going to have x plus y, right? And then we'll have x minus y, and that is equal to 15. Now, if we look at the factors of 15, you come to see that the factors of 15 can be 5 multiplied by 3, right? It can also be 15 and what? And 1. 15 multiplied by 1. Now, from this expression, you come to see that x plus 1 definitely is greater than x minus 1 minus y, right? X plus y is greater than x minus y. So, in any expression we're going to fit in there, the first must be greater than the second. So from this expression, 5 is greater than 3, right? So that works. From this expression, 15 is greater than 1. So that works. So those two expressions will be able to give us these two different expressions. The first expression, we're going to have x plus y equal to 5, right? While the second expression, we'll have x minus y equal to 3. Now we'll take this as one equation. On the other equation, we can also have x plus y equal to 15, right? And we'll also have x minus 1 minus y equal to 1. This is another expression. So we're going to solve these two expressions simultaneously in order to get the values of x and y. And remember, they said x and y are elements of natural numbers. So let's solve simultaneously. If we solve this simultaneously by adding this expression, we'll find out that this is going to give us 2x, right? While this clears this, because plus y plus minus y is going to give us 0. So we're going to have this to be 5 plus 3, that is 8. So if we divide this by 2 and divide this by 2, we're going to have this expression to now give us 2 we clear 2 to give us 1, 2 here 1, and 2 here will give us what? 4. So the value of our x over here is going to be x equal to 4. Now from this expression, we can also find the value of y. From the equation, the first equation, x plus 1 equal to 5, we can use that expression, x plus y equal to 5. Let's insert the value of x, which is equal to 4, plus y equal to 5. And we can get the value of y, right? So y will be equal to 5 minus 4, right? So our y will also be equal to 1. So these are the expressions or the solution to x and y from the first equation. So from that first equation, we can say our x comma y is equal to 4 comma 1. Great. Now let's consider the second equation. From the second equation, we are given x plus y equal to 15. So we are going to solve simultaneously using elimination method. We are going to add. If we add, we're going to find out that 2x plus x is going to give us 2x. while this clears this, right? Because this plus this is 0. And this will be equal to 15 plus 1 is 16. So if we divide here by 2 and divide this way by 2, we're going to have this expression to become 2 divided by 2, 2 here 1, and 2 is going to give us 8. So what do we have? We're going to have our x to be equal to 8. Now, if x is equal to 8, we can invariably find the value of y. X plus y equal to 15 is the equation we're going to use. X plus y equal to 15. We can also use the other equation to find the value of y. So 8 plus y is equal to 15. To find the value of y, we have to subtract 8 from both sides. So this will give us 15 minus 8. And 15 minus 8, our y will be equal to 15 minus 8 is going to give us 7. So the value of x and y is 8 and 7 respectively. So we're going to have x, y equal to 8 and 7 respectively. So you see, these are the two solutions or the two numbers, the values of x and y from that equation given to us. And you find out that they are all natural what? Numbers, which are numbers from 1 to infinity. So what we are going to do now is to check if our solution is right. Now recall the original expression given to us. The original expression is x squared minus y squared equal to 15. So how do we check? Let's check if our solutions are right. To check, we're going to have the first value. We're given that x squared minus y squared should be equal to 15. So if we insert the first value of x and y, we'll have 4 squared minus 1 square. Will it be able to give us 15? Let's find out. 4 square is going to give us 16, and 16 minus 1 square is 1. Will it give us 15? Sure, it will. 16 minus 1 is 15, and this will be equal to 15. So that means the first solution is absolutely what? Right. Now let's check out for the second solution. From the second solution, we are told that we'll have 8 square minus 7 square. Will it be equal to 15? Let's check out. 8 square is going to give us 64 minus 7 square is going to give us 49. So 54 minus 49, is it going to give us 15? 64 minus 49, that is 15, right? And then 15 is equal to 15. So that tells us that the second values of natural numbers of x and y is also what? Correct. So you see, our solutions, the value of 4, 1, 7, and 8 are actually the solutions to that expressions given to us up there. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to share it with friends and colleagues. And also, remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye-bye for now.